See, these all are the formula of integration. Here I told x to the power n, integration x to the power n dx, formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Every time you have to write one c. Integration of dx is x plus c. Actually 1 dx. If you differentiate x, it is coming 1. So 1 if you integrate, you will get c. You will get x plus c. X dx, it is x square by 2. Actually here power is 1. So x to the power n formula if we apply, then x to the power n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. This formula. So it is coming x square by 2 plus c. Now e to the power x integration is e to the power x, because differentiation of e to the power x also e to the power x. A to the power x integration will be a to the power x by log a base c plus c. Integration of sin x equal to minus cos x plus c. Cos x integration is sin x plus c. Tan x integration is log sec x plus c. Cot x integration is log sin x plus c. Sec x integration is log sec x plus tan x plus c. And cosec x integration is log tan x by 2. 1 by x dx equal to log mod x. uv integration, that is u integration v dx minus d dx of u integration v dx total dx. Sec square dx integration is tan x. Cosec square x dx integration is minus cot x. Sec x tan x integration is sec x. Cosec x cot x integration is minus cosec x. More formula are there. All the formula I am giving now. In the book it is given in different exercise. You see dx by x square plus a square. The formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Integration dx by x square minus a square. The formula is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. Integration dx by a square minus x square. The formula is 1 by 2a log a plus x mod a plus x by a minus x. Dx by root over of x square plus a square integration, it will be log mod x plus root over of x square plus a square. Similarly, the second one here minus, so here it has come minus. Integration dx by a square minus x square will be sin inverse x by a. And if it is minus dx by a square minus x square, then it will be cos inverse a by x. Or if minus is not there, then here you can put minus. Integration dx by x minus x square minus a square, it will be 1 by a sec inverse x by a. More formula here you see e to the power ax cos bx dx, that is e to the power ax into a cos bx plus b sin bx by a square plus b square. E to the power ax sin bx dx equal to e to the power ax a sin bx minus b cos bx by a square plus b square. And integration x square plus a square dx equal to x into root over of x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 log x plus a square plus a square. And integration of x square minus a square dx equal to x into root over of x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 log x plus x square minus a square. Now integration a square minus x square dx equal to x into root over of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Always you have to put c. Remember, not all places I have put the constant. So these all are the formula of integration. You understand?